Pro pallet on a daily basis generates approximately 30,000 recycled boards in-house a day from the dismantling process, which ends up going to either the chop saws or the trim saws that we operate on a daily basis. We operate 5 or 6 chop saws and 2 trim saws, and a chop saw in a day will produce approximately 4,000 to 5,000 cuts a day, and if they're cutting deck boards and if they're cutting runners, it will produce approximately 2,000 to 3,000 runners a day per chop saw. The trim saws themselves will produce anywhere from 4,000 to 5,000 boards a day per machine.